Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting administrative rights because removing drivers changes system files. Once signed in, open Device Manager from Start and pinpoint the device category you want. Make sure to choose View and enable Show Hidden Devices so unused drivers appear. Right-click the specific device and select Properties to inspect driver details. This helps you confirm version, date, and provider before removal. Take a note or screenshot of the current driver info so you can reinstall the correct driver if needed. Now perform the uninstall. Right-click the target device and pick Uninstall Device, then check Delete the driver software for this device to remove package files. After that, open Programs and Features to uninstall any vendor utilities that might reinstall the driver. For advanced cleanup, run an elevated command prompt and use pnputil/enum drivers to view driver packages and pnputil/delete driver OEM hash. inf/uninstall/force to remove stubborn packages. Reboot after removals to allow Windows to settle and free locked files. After reboot, inspect Device Manager to verify the old driver is gone and Windows has either a default driver or the device is uninstalled. If you need the hardware, download the correct, signed driver from the vendor and install it, using compatibility mode for older drivers when appropriate. If something goes wrong, immediately try Device Manager rollback if available, or restore the system via System Restore to a point before the removals. Make sure to keep driver backups for future safety and faster recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.